Hey you guys, good evening. Welcome to Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Tonight I wanted to just show you guys how I prepare my straight raw Indian hair for bedtime. I am going to do some pin curls. I have some big bobby pins here, and I'm just going to do some pin curls. I just got my sewing Sunday, and what I have in is a frontal. It's the same hair that I had sewn in last time that I did a video with the, I don't know if I did a video with the straight hair, but it was flat iron straight, so it didn't look like this. But anyway, so this is the raw straight, and I'm doing a video because I have a customer that she was just asking, like, what do I do with my hair at night, because she's finding that her straight hair is getting tangly and she's having some issues with just maintenance of the straight hair. She says she ordered our curly hair and she loved it, no issues with the curly hair, but she's just struggling with the straight hair. So I thought I would just do a video of what I do with the hair at night, and then I would do another video of me taking it down in the morning and just showing you guys just the maintenance of it. So yeah, so this is a frontal 20 inches, and I have 13 by 4 frontal 20 inches, and I have two bundles, and I want to say one is 20 and one is 22 inches. But yeah, so this hair, I bleached it a while back and kind of damaged it because it wasn't bleaching as bright as I wanted. As you can see, the back bundle is a little darker. So when I took the hair out and before I did this sewing, I went back over the frontal with some bleach, and I kind of like the way it came out now. And I did the back bundles again, but it's not as bold as I would like it. See, this is the color blonde I was really trying to achieve. But, you know, when you're dealing with raw hair, you're getting it from different donors. So you don't know how people maintain their hair. So it may not, all the bundles may not bleach evenly. But at the end of the day, I love the contrast. I love all the highlights and the low lights, and I think it came out pretty good. I like the way it makes my skin look, so I'm happy with it. So anywho, I am just separating the hair in the back. Show you guys. I do it like that, and I'll do one side first and the other. Okay, so I'm taking these earrings out. Got the comb stabbing me. Okay. So, got a little serum. I like to take just a little bit, nothing exciting, just to kind of put on my ends and then run it through the hair. But I'm really focusing on ends because that's where, you know, it gets really dry, is our ends. So, again, just kind of comb it through. The key is comb your hair. I know you like to kind of just run your fingers through, but you got to comb your hair. The curls are going to still be there popping. So, you know, just kind of comb the hair. All right. There it is. Look at that. Combed it, pulled my hands through it, messed with it, and it's still such a beautiful curl. That's natural raw hair for you. Unprocessed. It just behaves like your own hair. Beautiful, healthy, love it. And I've damaged this hair so much with the bleaching I was doing. But that was just me, you know, trying to get to achieve the blonde that I wanted to achieve. So, combing it like that. Get my bobby pin. And then I just do my curl. And I'll show you guys the back when I'm done. Just trying to. Okay, got one. Then I'll get another. Try not to make it too thick, not too thin, depending on how curly you want it. So hopefully you guys can see. Okay, get another bobby pin. It just seems like it's always harder when you're trying to do something on video. When you're not doing on video, be bam, 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 you get this hair done. Ready for bed. Okay. Oops. Kind of pull that out as you guys could see. So let me fix that. I don't think it really matters that much, but I'm just going to fix it for the sake of fixing it. Okay. You want to make sure you get those ends tucked in pretty good, so you don't have any frail ends in the morning. Okay, there it is. Then just split this last one in half. I'm just going to do 4 over here. Again, always comb from the roots out. If your hair is tangled, comb from the ends, then up to the roots. As I'm twisting, I'm really smoothing out those ends so they'll be nice and tucked in. Okay. So you guys can see what I'm doing there. We had somebody commented on my videos that I had too much of the ceiling in there, but just trying to angle the camera so you guys can really see. I'm not a professional stylist or anything or videographer, so I'm just doing my best so you guys can just see how to take care of your hair. Oh. So yeah, so that's one side. Cute, huh? All right, now let's get to this side here. I don't know why this little puffy thing is right here. Tomorrow I'll probably just have to lay it down with a pressing comb and get that top part flat. I'm not sure what that's doing. All right, get a comb through. Have a few tangles, just comb it out. There it is. Okay, again, go get a little serum. Nothing exciting, just something to work these ends a little bit, smoothing them out. Then we go up to the top. Okay, there it is. All right, start in the back, get a section. Hopefully you guys can see that. Smooth it out. Up. Just keep curling. Flat it down. Get your bobby pin. Voila. Okay, get another piece. I don't have, like, they're not really even in size. I just grab some hair, twist it, always smoothing out the ends, get it kind of tucked in there to your curl. Okay. Get the hump back that I was talking about. I don't know what that's doing, but we're going to fix that. Let me do it like this. Take it from there. Okay. Smooth those ends out. Start rubbing it, wrapping it around your fingers. Pull off your finger, get tucked. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it to be a nice curl. Okay. Let me see. I'll do this. Okay. I think we'll just do, I could do one, or I could do two. Well, let's just do two. Split that. Be real curly in the front because these are little smaller sections. Okay, just pin it up like that, flat. Put your bobby pin. You in business. Okay. All right. Smooth your ends. Just wrap it around. No special direction. Just kind of put it up. And that's it, guys. That's the evening look. So no special, you know. Then I'm just going to tie it down, so making sure I secure the front of the frontal. And yeah, that's it. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to take it out, do a video so you guys can see what it looks like. And then I'll do some shots during the day so you can see it. It's tangle free. You just have to really comb your hair. Don't just finger it or loosen out your curls with your fingers. Comb your hair through. The curls are going to bounce back. The hair is gorgeous. The hair is beautiful. It holds a curl. Okay, guys? Mwah. Love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. You guys did really good for Black Friday. We're going to keep the sales coming. We have year-end clearance coming, so stay tuned for that. The insiders, the people who have provided their phone number for text messages and also their email, you guys already get additional discounts on a regular. So we're always, you know, giving you insiders all the tea. So yeah, and all the sales. So we love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting us. You guys have shown out and shown up, and we just want to thank you. Or showing up, showing out. I don't know. It's late. I'm tired. Love you guys. See you in the morning. Good night.